Let's easily open a Nintendo game cartridge so we can examine it for potential damage and clean it. We are using a Strabito 142-piece repair toolkit, which includes a game bit driver to open the specialty screws. A regular screwdriver will not work to open the cartridge. There are 3 specialty screws on the back of the Super Mario Bros. 3 Nintendo cartridge. The nice thing about the Strabito bits is that they are magnetic, and it makes it easier to open the specialty screws and retain them. Once all 3 screws have been removed, lift up from the bottom of the cartridge to reveal the internal printed circuit board. This used cartridge that was acquired for a low cost is quite dirty on both the plastic interior and the metal connectors of the printed circuit board. Due to the filthy residue and damage, I doubt this cartridge would work properly without a proper cleaning. This video is not intended to be a restoration video. Therefore, we will simply use isopropyl alcohol to do a light cleaning of the plastic. The main point to demonstrate here is that it is not possible to properly analyze and clean a used cartridge of dubious care and treatment without taking it apart. This cartridge is quite filthy. While examining the printed circuit board, I looked for signs of water damage, exploded capacitors that may have leaked, or any other type of damage to the electrical components. To put the cartridge back together, align the 3 notches at the top of the cartridge, and then the front and back will align into the correct position. Use the game driver bit to tighten the 3 specialty screws snugly into position. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, give a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell icon for future updates. Thank you for watching.